In the quest for sustainable living, building a solar water heater at home stands as an exciting venture. This project not only helps reduce energy bills, but also encourages the use of renewable resources. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting your own solar water heater. Step 1. Gather materials. You will need black plastic pipes, a wooden frame, a glass sheet, insulation material, and connecting valves. Black pipes are preferred due to their ability to absorb heat more efficiently. Step 2. Construct the wooden frame. The frame will hold the black pipes and glass sheet, acting as the primary structure of the heater. Measure and cut the wood to build a rectangular shape slightly larger than your glass sheet, ensuring stability once constructed. Step 3. Install the black plastic pipes within the wooden frame. Arrange them in a zigzag or serpentine pattern to maximize exposure to sunlight and optimize heat absorption. Secure the pipes firmly to the frame using clamps or pipe holders. Step 4. Affix the glass sheet atop the wooden frame. The glass acts as a protective layer and helps trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect. Ensure it is securely attached and sealed to prevent heat escape. Step 5. Insulate the back and sides of the frame. Use insulation materials such as foam or fiberglass to minimize heat loss and boost efficiency. Step 6. Connect the pipe system to your existing water supply. Use connecting valves to attach your heater to the water source. Make sure each connection is tight to prevent leaks. Step 7. Position the solar heater to maximize sun exposure. Typically, the best orientation is facing southwards in the northern hemisphere. Adjust its angle according to seasonal sun paths for optimal performance. Step 8. Test the solar water heater. Once installed, allow sun exposure for a few hours and check if the water heats to desired temperatures. Adjust placements or fix leaks as necessary. Step 9. Maintain regularly. Clean the glass sheet, check for leaks, and ensure pipes are unclogged periodically to keep your heater functioning efficiently. Congratulations! You've created a simple yet effective solar water heater, contributing to a greener lifestyle while enjoying hot water powered by the sun. Subscribe for more videos and tips.